Here are some amazing Canva tips and tricks that I've picked up over the past few months. This video is not a beginner Canva tutorial. I will cover that in another video. Today I will cover Canva's hidden features and tools that you probably haven't seen yet. Let's dive right into the first feature you probably didn't know about. It's called Grab Text. It can be used when you need to edit some text in an image that you created a long time ago and you cannot find the original editable file for it. This happens to me quite a lot because, you see, I have been getting free traffic from Pinterest for about 8 years now. Well, I bet it's obvious from my Pinterest marketing playlist with over 150 videos in it. In some of my older pins on Pinterest, I used to add years in the text overlay. It was a rookie mistake that I don't make anymore, but it makes my pins look outdated. Even if I updated the content on the blog itself, like here, I have a post about Pinterest updates, so I add information to it several times per year. But the pin still shows this 2018 when I originally created this post. If I upload this pin image to Canva, all I can do is move it around. I cannot change individual parts of it. So what do I do now? Simply select your image, then head to Edit Photo. Under Magic Studio there is an option called Grab Text. When you use this, it isolates the text in the image, allowing you to edit it. You can move the text and change it however you like. The tool will try to find a font similar to the original text. But if the font wasn't from Canva's standard library, like a special one that I had purchased and uploaded in another graphic design tool, Canva will try to replace it with a slightly different font. You can of course choose a better looking font, and just like that, in a few clicks, I updated an image that otherwise would be useless on my Pinterest account. The next feature is inside Magic Media. You can find this tool by going to Canva Apps, search for Magic Media that can instantly generate images and videos with AI. Open this app and just give it a short text prompt. I will try something like cat with sunglasses on a beach. Then we can choose one of the styles like watercolor, dreamy, photo, and if you click here on See More, you will see that the styles are grouped, so you have here many photography styles, then digital art styles, and a category with fine art styles. You can also choose one of these aspect ratios, square, landscape, or portrait. This app itself might be new to you, but it's been available for a while now. What is more recent though, I will show you now. So once we have 4 different images generated by AI, we now have these 3 dots for each image, and if you click on it, you can decide to focus on this one image and get a few extra variations of this specific image. This is quite helpful if you liked one image idea but wanted to see if AI can make it even better. And the next tip is about creating mockups in Canva. This Canva tip will be helpful for anyone who runs an e-commerce store or needs to regularly make new designs and mockups for your products. Did you know that Canva lets you create professionally looking mockups for free? Here is how you can do it. First, head over to the Apps section and type Mockups into the search bar. Open the app and you will find a variety of mockup styles to choose from for different categories of products. You can find t-shirts, mugs, smartphone mockups, and so on. Some might look like simple frames, while others are highly realistic and professional. I will pick one of the t-shirt mockups, and then all I need to do is find a photo in Canva's library, or you can get the image in your Uploads tab on Canva. Then you simply drag and drop the image into the mockup, and I will get this funny cat photo and drop it into the t-shirt mockup. You will see the transformation happen instantly. And just like that, your mockup is ready to go. The photo was embedded into the product design in just a second. If you learned something new in this video so far, give me a like, subscribe for more videos like this, tell YouTube algorithm which videos are helpful for you. Also, if you have any questions, the best place to ask me is in the comments below. I'm talking in this video about the newest Canva tricks, and for me personally, the most interesting is the part about AI-powered tools. I learned all about the newest AI Canva tools from this complete guide for stunning designs, videos, presentations with Canva AI on Skillshare. All these magic tools are great, but my favorite lesson is about Canva Magic Video. This lesson, by the way, is part of what's called a learning path on how to become a Canva expert for digital asset design. Following this path, you can learn everything about Canva platform, from the basics to advanced, and everything about the AI-powered tools as well. It includes 6 classes of about 15 hours in total. Learning paths on Skillshare are curated lists of classes topic-wise to streamline your course search by offering carefully selected, top-quality courses on your favorite topics. These classes are arranged to progress you from a beginner to advanced level, saving you time. If this doesn't spark your interest directly and you would like to learn other skills, don't worry, Skillshare has got you covered. Skillshare is the largest online learning platform with thousands of classes led by industry professionals. On Skillshare, you can delve into subjects like online marketing, design, photography, videography, freelancing, and many others. To get started on your creative journey, the first 500 people to use my link in the description will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Thank you, Skillshare, for sponsoring this part of the video. Start learning today. And the next feature I'd like to cover today is instant video generation. See here, this feature even still has this new label on it. So let me show you how Canva can instantly generate AI videos using any of your existing photos or video clips. So it asked me to choose 10 files from my uploads. I found these 3 photos that have a common theme. They are all keto dessert recipes with chocolate chips. So I will use this as a prompt right here and click to generate the video. And this is the result. Canva automatically figured out that the video should be a short vertical video. It added all these texts. Here it says these keto cookies. Remember, in my prompt, I didn't even mention that there was anything about cookies. So AI just figured out that was based on the image. This text explains what's on the images, but in a way that is engaging, and it gives people a reason to click on it. They also added call to actions like give them a try today. It also picked some energetic music from Canva's media library. So with just a few clicks and a short text prompt, just like that, Canva created for me a short video perfect for posting it on Pinterest, for example. Because there you only need videos between 6 and 15 seconds long. For other platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, the videos are typically up to 60 seconds, so you might need to upload more files to start with. You can download it as an MP4 file and then upload it on Pinterest, or even post it from Canva directly to Pinterest. And actually, this is another Canva feature that many people don't even know about. Canva has an integrated social media posting tool on all free accounts. And for paid accounts, it even works as a scheduler. So you can design images and videos in Canva and schedule them a month or more in advance, all inside Canva. Now let's move to the next Canva app that will help many creators who post short videos. You probably know that a lot of viewers might watch short videos with their sound off. I know for sure it is typical for Pinterest users. If that's the case, you've got to add subtitles that show up on top of the video. And Canva can now generate eye-catchy subtitles for short videos with this Subtitles app. And to show you how this works, I will first need to go to my uploads, click on the video tab, and select one of the videos I previously uploaded to my Canva account. It has to be a video of the typical length for shorts, up to 60 seconds, because this app doesn't work for longer videos. Then you know the path. Click on Apps, search for Subtitles app, and once it's open, you will just need to click Export, and then it will offer you to choose some settings for the style of subtitles. They can be elegant, chic, classic, and so on. I will go with a style called Bold, and I decided to place the subtitles in the middle of the video. Once Canva is done reading the video content, it will show you all the subtitles in the text like this, line by line. It offers you to quickly check the text because it can catch some words in the wrong way. It warns you that this is the step when you can edit the text, because later it won't be possible. But I will just accept all the suggested text and will start generating the video so that we can check the quality of these AI subtitles. Once it's done, just click on the design on the left and you can watch the video with subtitles inserted according to your style and settings. I actually think now that it would look better if I chose to show the subtitles in the lower part of the video because it covers my face quite a lot, but otherwise the text of the subtitles looks fine. The next hidden feature is Design Accessibility Panel. Most of the people don't even know about this feature, although it's been available for several months in Canva. The Design Accessibility Panel is a powerful tool integrated into Canva's editor that helps you avoid design issues that will be critical, especially for users with visual impairments, such as those who are colorblind or have difficulty reading small text. But I will show you how this feature is actually helping you make your designs better for all users. To access this feature, simply click on the Canva Assistant icon at the right corner and then start typing Accessibility to bring up the panel. It will automatically detect any accessibility concerns within your design. For instance, I opened this video with several text fonts and Canva recommended me for better readability increase the color contrast between the text and the background. If I click on each of these little pieces of text, it shows me the current color and one or a few alternatives that will enhance the contrast. In addition to that, the panel highlights the importance of alternative text for images to help those people who rely on screen readers. This tool shows that Canva is committed to accessibility and it shows the core values of inclusivity. Now, if you want to learn how I used Canva AI to generate 100 social media posts in just 10 minutes, check my video linked up there. I will see you in that next one.